Hi guys, and welcome back to Bananas Flood. In today's video I'll be showing you some cool physics in Scratch. So let's get to it. So first off, you'll have to make some clones. I'll just be using 10 clones, but when I start as a clone position in code, and go to random position. If then touching, so how to do this to get it to if touching sprite 1, if touching sprite 1, then go to random position and repeat until not touching sprite 1 in there. Okay, so you'll also need to show the clones or you can't even see them. Okay, so they're forming and they are never touching each other, so because of this code here. So the edge will be our platform for today. So repeat until so just show the normal sprite and look for when it is touching your platform and look at the Y position. So repeat until Y position is less than minus 153. Now this is for my sprite. Whatever your Y position is, just change it by 1 in the in the code. So change, make a variable called Y velocity. Change Y velocity by 1, and in the clone code, put forever change Y by Y velocity. Okay, so if then X position equals, Y position equals minus 154, then set Y velocity to 0. Okay, they're all going up, so to change this you'll just have to do this, and also set Y velocity to 0 when the game starts. So now they're all falling down, and that's good, but they're kind of falling down into the edge. So if Y position is less than minus 153, then make a new block called detect collision. Run without screen refresh. So then detect collision, repeat until not Y position is less than minus 153. Change Y by 1. So that works pretty well. But this will also work pretty good. Okay, so the balls are all falling, but we want them to bounce on the edge. So if you don't want them to bounce, then don't do the rest of this code. Okay, so repeat. We could do repeat 25. Change Y velocity by 1. So now they'll bounce in a rather strange way. Take this away from your code, because this doesn't really work well. So now it's back to just normal falling. Just try set Y velocity to minus 25. Try that, and it doesn't do anything. So the reason that doesn't do anything is because you need to set it to 25, and they'll slowly start to lift. But so you'll have to make this a forever loop. So then they start to fall back onto the edge after. So just keep this and duplicate Y position. So now they're bouncing quite strangely. And the reason some of them are bouncing in the air is because when one reaches the edge, they're just all bouncing. So just create one clone, and it bounces. But it always bounces the same amount, so it will just bounce forever, basically. But this is pretty cool, but we don't want it to bounce forever because that's not physics. So make another variable called bounce. So change bounce by 1, and when go clicked, set bounce to 25. So it's changed bounce by -1, and change set Y velocity to bounce. So now try this. It will start to go lower and lower every time, and eventually it will reach an end. So it's getting lower and lower and lower. Okay, so now we've got a fully successful bouncy ball. That's all for today's video, but physics will another physics video will be coming soon. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you learned something. Don't forget to like and subscribe.